Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code in Google Chrome that anyone can scan with their phone to open a website. Chrome makes this very easy and you can create a QR code in just a few clicks. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the website you want to share. Once the web page is open, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the menu, go to Cast, Save, and Share. Then click Create QR Code. Chrome will immediately generate a QR code for the web page you're currently viewing. You can also change the website link here if you want the QR code to open a different page. Now, if you want to save the QR code, click the Download button. Chrome will save the QR code as a PNG image in your Downloads folder. You can then share the image, add it to a document, or print it. You can also click Copy to copy the QR code as an image and paste it into a Google Doc, Word document, email, or anywhere else you want. Anyone can scan the QR code with their phone and be taken directly to the website. And that's it. You've successfully created a QR code in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tutorials and browser tips. See you in the next one.